Okay, so today we're multiplying polynomials. So to multiply, we'll be doing two binomials. What we're going to do is we're going to use the distributive property twice. So in this example, I do a times c, a times d, then b times c, and b times d. That's how I get, a times c plus a times d plus b times c plus b times d. So again, I multiply. I'm probably going to say it looks like a crab claw because that's what I think it looks like. So I draw my crab claw and then I multiply what it's pointing to. So in this example, I draw my crab claw and then I multiply whatever it's pointing to. So 2x times 4x gives me 8x squared. 2x times negative 3 gives me negative 6x. Negative 7 times 4x gives me negative 28x. And negative 7 times negative 3 gives me positive 21. I have like terms here, so I go 8x squared. Combine those together, I get negative 34x plus 21. And that's my final answer. Again, same thing with this second one. Kind of take it step by step. So 5x times 2x gives me 10x squared. 5x times negative 5 gives me negative 25x. Negative 3 times 2x gives me negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 5 gives me positive 15. Combine my like terms, it will be 10x squared minus 31x plus 15. That's my final. Same thing here. When I'm multiplying a binomial by a trinomial, I'm still distributing both of these, and this now have like a three-lined crab claw or whatever you want to say. Negative 2x times x squared gives me negative 2x to the third power. And then I multiply negative 2x times 2x, get negative 4x squared. Negative 2x times negative 4 gives me positive 8x. Then I do negative 2x times x squared, so negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times positive 2x, I get negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 4 gives me positive 8. Again, I'm going to have two different like terms. I got 8x and negative 4x, and then I've got negative 4x squared and negative 2x squared. I'm going to kind of go down here a little bit. So I still have my negative 2x to the third, and I still have my 8. Then I just combine these like terms. Negative 4x squared plus negative 2x squared gives me negative 6x squared. 8x plus negative 4x gives me positive 4x. So that's my final answer. Again, with this word problem, I'm talking about, putting an addition on my house still. So I'm going to draw my house. This is, it says that my width is twice the size of the length. So my width is actually bigger here. So this is going to be my width. This is going to be my length. My width is 2 times my length, so my width is 2w, my length is L. The addition onto my width is going to be 10, so I'm going to extend this out 10 feet. Then onto my length is 15 feet. I'm going to box that in, so I'm putting on an L-shaped addition. Again, I'm adding these on. So again, the formula for my area is length times width. My length is L plus 15, and I multiply that by 2L plus 10. A little bit. So this is the area, so that's going to equal 2,300. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply just like I did today. L times 2L gives me 2L squared. L times 10 gives me 10L. 15 times 2L gives me 30L. And 15 times 10 gives me 150. And again, that still equals 2,300. Combine my like terms. We have 2L squared plus 40L plus 150 is equal to 2,300. To use the quadratic formula, I want to get everything over the same side. Subtract 2,300. So I get 2L squared plus 40L minus 2,150 equals 0. 2 is my A value, 40 is my B value, negative 2,150 is my C value. And so I plug in my A, B, and C value into my quadratic formula, and that'll give me my length, which is 24.3 feet. Then I can find my width by multiplying it by 2, adding 10 onto it.
Is this for your ninth graders? Do you do this because you're too lazy to teach now?
No.